no kuku great job. I say, I can't call my friends. So that's how I call ya Silifa. Silifa. How are you? I want Silifa. Call her Baba Silifa. Say Baba Silifa dey for kitchen. Baba Silifa dey for kitchen. What Baba Silifa dey do? Say Baba Silifa is cutting. Baba Silifa is frying yam. I said, yeah. Baba Silifa, we no know the four corner of your kitchen. In the kitchen, the fry pepper. Hey, what I shall never eat. This operation stay at home is sweet. It's sweet me when you Silifa you are doing well. Baba Silifa is cutting pepper. Anyway, already money here no need to see where you are doing well. I can't drop. I can't call ya well. Ya wero. Call her Baba Wero. I do video share me and see Baba Wero. That's how I can see Baba Wero. Baba Wero is changing purpose. Baba Wero is changing purpose. It will not know Baba Wero they nappy. In fact, this coronavirus, you are doing well, you are not doing well. In some people's marriage, Baba Wero is changing purpose. Baba Wero, you are doing well, sir. Okay, ya Wero, you know now. As Baba Wero called the door the house up, I used to you just see now. But they do that with the freaky, go every corner, every angle, everywhere. Go just into go. Yeah, we're going to talk to you later. People like this coronavirus, they do something for some people married. It suits me. I go get my